Emergency assist can aid you if you need help. Emergency assist supports you in emergency situations. The assistant checks your activity while driving and can intervene if necessary. If the driver's hands lose contact with the steering wheel, the system can recognize the situation and help to avoid accidents with targeted measures. These start with visual and audible warnings and increase to a short braking jolt and, depending on the equipment, a tug on the seat belt. During these actions, the assistant takes the vehicle over and keeps it in the lane. If the driver still does not react, the assistant brings your Volkswagen to a controlled stop and warns other road users. In addition, emergency assist can inform the emergency services, pass on the position and unlock the doors. Emergency assist can aid you when you need help.
Volkswagen.